From visitmysmokies.com, it's the Funcast. Halfway through the month of July, and I'm your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet. That's okay, though. That still means that you've got another 2 weeks of the Dollywood summer celebration. Now, do you know what this involves? Roller coasters at night. That's right. They have additional expanded hours for the summer celebration. And they also have sweet summer nights. Was that a song from Greece? 3D drone and fireworks show. Have you ever seen one of those before? Me neither. But they're brand new for you this year to celebrate summer at Dollywood. You still have a couple of weeks left. You also still have a couple of weeks left for Smoky Mountain Tunes and Tales. Now, this happens in Gatlinburg every night from 6 until 11. The streets come alive with costume musical performers and storytellers and artisans. And they're playing characters from way back when. Way back, not just the 1900s, the 1800s too. Well, this weekend there is something that's really bugging us at Visit My Smokies. VWs are on display. Of course, the Smokies famous for all the different car shows. Now, this weekend, it's the Summer Jam Volkswagen car show in Townsend. Townsend is around Wares Valley. It's off to the southwest of Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge and Sevierville. Happens on Saturday and Sunday. You know what they tell me? That grass is much cooler than pavement. So you can take your time and stroll the grounds at the Tally Ho Inn in Townsend and see a huge area of show cars, vendors, mingle with other spectators too. This is the last weekend for the Arts and Crafts Show. That's going on at the Gatlinburg Convention Center. It features over 200 booths with some of the country's finest handmade items. 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and then 10 to 5 on Sunday as they wrap it up at the Gatlinburg Convention Center. Entertainment is included in the cost you pay for admission. And the farmers market happens again this weekend on Saturday morning. As a matter of fact, the manager tells us that this Saturday the spread's going to include sourdough bread, baked goods, onions, cabbage, carrots, tomatoes, kale, cukes, squash, beans, garlic, eggs, chicken, jams, honey, and lots of herbs too. So if you want some local flavor, literally, then check it out. It's the Gatlinburg Farmers Market, and it's across from Gatlinburg Food City, Saturday morning from 8:30 until noon. Well, I do eventually have something sweet to show you in my forecast, too, but we got to get through some rain this weekend. Hey, Friday looks fine with temperatures hot, getting up into the low 90s. And then we'll subtract some heat and add some rain. Saturday looks like a pretty good bet for showers and storms, and still a chance on Sunday, too. Highs will be into the 80s. The chance will be smaller on Monday, and if you absolutely have to do something outside all day long, I guess I'd lean toward Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Looks like the stretch is pretty dry there, and we'll have high temperatures eventually back near 90 by the time we get to Thursday. And I hope it's not too long before you get to us at visitmysmokies.com.